Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit money in Aviator Predictor app. So there are like multiple methods how you can deposit the money. So the first one is, as you can read, the best platforms to deposit. Like there are multiple platforms on which you can deposit money, and talking about the first one, like here is the detailed breakdown. The first thing is just select a suitable gambling website. As you might be familiar that there are like multiple websites or gambling platforms where you can just register and find the Aviator game and register as a new player. And once you do that, just log in with your account, like using your newly registered email and password. Log into your account and go to payment section. Like there are like payment sections available in those gambling platforms. Like there are like multiple platforms like 1xbet and Parry Match, and there are like many other platforms as well. So just find the payment section, and upon logging in, go to the cashier, specifically the deposit section. So once you find the deposit section, after that you'll be asked to choose a deposit method, like choose your payment method, and after that just put on all the necessary details like banking option, desired amount, and confirm your payment. And be patient, like it will take a few hours to deposit your like payment, or like you might face some kind of small error, so try again and you will be able to solve these issues. And talking about the other platforms, like here are like the minimum and maximum deposit. Like there are like multiple platforms, as you can see: Parry Match, 1xbet, Pinup, and all negligible deposit amount for playing. So for instance, Parry Match is an Aviator minimum deposit $10 website. Like this platform, Parry Match, this allows you to minimum deposit of $10, and you can deposit minimum of $10 if we talk about 1xbet. So on this platform you can just start with the $1 deposit, and here's the like Pinup platform, you can just $20 minimum deposit. So there are like multiple policies of the platform which you must follow, so it is on you, like whichever platform you are using. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can deposit money in Aviator app.